Hello. Hi, Nirmala. Good morning.
Good morning, Daya. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Yeah. Preeti also joining, I think. So before Preeti joins, if we have any, if we have any doubts, then we will discuss. And once Preeti joins, then we will see the depreciation part as well.
Actually, I didn't get time to work
Look
in the
into.
system.
Okay.
That's the problem. I think this
Okay.
weekend I have
Okay.
to do it.
Okay. Yeah. Just I think it is very difficult to build. Do it for your company code from scratch because it will kills a lot of time. You can do it, but
Yeah,
it
I
takes a
know.
lot of time. Just you can follow my company code, do all observations there, and I think that is sufficient.
Yes.
And that too in the
Different.
demo, no demo building system is very difficult. But
I
anyways,
know. So everything won't
yeah,
work properly.
yes,
You
and
said you were
somebody
going to
is
share the document, right? You said you are going to send us the document, but we haven't received.
sure.
Did you forget to copy me or
No, I have not sent it. I think
sent?
that
Okay. Okay.
okay. I will send you at a time.
Okay. I
So
need like
and
yesterday's
these
classes
sessions
also, like yesterday.
also, even I have not received those from last 1 or 2 sessions. Even I am not receiving. So generally we will all get a mail. So I'm also getting the same mail. So from there I'm downloading. So unfortunately I have not received it from last 2 days. I will check with Rajendra. So I'll ask
Okay,
him to send it
he
for
sent
all.
me the 9th and 10th. I'll ask him.
Yeah. Yeah, I have not received from him anything. It's the last 2 days. I just know yesterday I told him that you send me so that I think the same link which he's sending. So I'm also downloading from there only. And again I'm
Okay.
sending you people. But anyway, that I have not received. Once I receive it again, I can download maybe, or you can directly mail him so that he will send you all
Yeah.
those. And there are other links also. There is a valuable information there. I think there are some documents there in the certain link. There's a particular link. Basically, he will give you all those details, so we can go through all those documents also. There's good information there.
It means like I
Documents,
didn't know what is that. Is it only the SAP material you are talking about?
SAP material, as well as
Okay.
these recordings also. So I'll share you the links. Maybe he might be
He sent me.
forgot or something.
Yesterday's he forgot. He didn't send it, but like he
Uh,
sent the Sunday's one. Sunday's one I asked him. He sent
okay,
me that.
okay.
What time you normally go to office? Because like every morning you have to take class and then
I
rush,
will I
right?
will go at 10 o'clock.
Oh,
Basically,
okay. Then
my timing is basically 11:30. Is
oh, no problem. Yeah.
Europe timing, so
Oh,
11:30
okay.
to 8:30. But we have a
Oh, you work
flexible
in
kind of
you
thing.
you Europe time zone. You work in Europe
Yes,
time
Europe.
zone.
Yes. Now, basically, there are. Not only one single project, it's multiple projects, but all are relevant for Europe only. So we have,
Oh, okay.
a criteria like some people will work on. Uh, we have a team basically working on multiple projects, responsible for multiple projects, kind of thing. But all the EMEA things will be comes to me. So I
Okay.
will.
At
Yeah,
least
there are a
Europe
couple
is
of.
better. Like
Yeah,
US
it's
time
always
zone means you
good
have
for
to
me.
work in opposite.
Yes,
Yeah, if it
yes,
is
yes,
US, it's totally
yes,
opposite.
yes. So UK, so and there are so many projects also on pipeline. So on and
Okay.
currently also whatever we are doing, there's a big implementations. Basically, it is greenfield. Some of our greenfield, some of the projects are on conversation also. So both
Hmm.
are going on. So I
Oh,
think
okay.
How is the market getting more calls or?
Marketing, actually, for me, I have not started looking anywhere outside except I live in Atlanta. That's why I just started only looking in Atlanta because of we
Only,
don't want to
okay.
change the school. Yeah,
Okay. Oh, okay.
Outside, like, yeah, you have so many positions, but you should be like ready to travel. But now I'm not ready to travel.
Okay, okay. That is a
That's why I'm
constraint, I think.
slowly, yeah.
Okay. So, but HANA market is, I think, is going very
It's
good. So
opening up.
we,
It is
yes,
opening up. Like some people, I think I can see there are many new implementations which are directly going on HANA also
yes,
instead of ECC.
yes.
Yeah.
Not
But like
only,
they're just
yes,
bidding.
yes.
It looks like they might be just bidding the projects and they're still waiting. It looks like they
Yeah,
don't know
most
when
of the
they'll.
projects, most
Yeah.
of the projects like that, and some of them already. I mean, from US the market is very aggressive, I can say. So we are getting
Mm.
so many. I mean, Europe and US both are very aggressive. So many projects are coming. And we have so many
Okay.
around 30 projects
Yeah.
are pipeline. We, yeah,
Yeah, but the moment they start, like, see, they prepare SOW, all that stuff, it takes time, right? A month, 2 months, by the time they
true, true,
identify the team and all that stuff. Yeah, it just started now. It
true.
just started in the January.
Yes,
December, it was
yes.
not good.
I think February it will be. You can see more February and
More,
March.
yeah. March,
Generally,
yes,
yes, yeah.
yeah.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Preeti.
Priti. Good morning.
Good morning.
So let's start the session. So today we will, but yesterday we have seen other parts. So today we will see the depreciation part. Okay. So so depreciation part, if you can see, this is a change. So we have now option for multiple company codes at a time. We can run the depreciation. Also now we have defined two accounting principles there. So I can go for only for one accounting principle I can run. I can run only one accounting principle. If I leave it, then it will be I mean generate the two documents for two accounting principles. That means I'm saying the system that you can run it for it is for to take into
All the
consideration for
ledgers.
two all the ledgers.
Yeah.
So a single accounting principle is also possible. And the multiple company codes, it's possible now. And these two dimensions are new. I mean, this is a new dimension. And also earlier we don't have option for this. And if you can see the screen, so this repeat read and all those things are removed
Yeah.
from here. And rest all almost the same. Okay.
Okay.
So now I am running only for one accounting principle. Let's see one by one. Accounting principle LG. So I'm running for only one. So
No errors. Good.
okay, it is generating only for accounting principles. You can see the information header AF01 for 0L. For LG, it is now. I mean, I'm able to. I'm posting two only for 0L for accounting principle LG. Let's do for other thing as well, and we will see for the both the things also. Okay. Anyway, one side we have learned. So I'm leaving this. Let's see. You can see the two documents here.
Yeah, LG and IFRS both. Yeah.
Yes. So this is one thing, and asset. Let me. And this is one thing, and you can see other side, reporting side.
I think you ran in the test mode. You didn't do it like
I have not done it. So let's do it. If it is I've done it, then it will be posted to the document.
Posted, yeah.
And yeah, I'll do that. You see this Asset Explorer, as we discussed, what is things are changing there, though that also we'll see. So now we can see here the new dimensions, like in the same way. So as we configure the depreciation areas, all we can see for the local GAAP as well as for the IFRS. Got it?
Yeah.
So both the accounting principles, we can see all the depreciation areas, whatever the values we are posting here.
Okay.
Okay, this is one more change we can say, and rest all almost the same. And okay, and one more thing is, yeah, in every screen you can see same dimension. Either you do anything, so this will be coming to the third dimension. Everywhere you will see accounting principles. So you can see in the depreciation, you can see in all the screens, you can see that this particular information now, because we are adding the third dimension now. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So then we will see some of the limitations also for the asset accounting on A. So basically, ALE assets, transfer of assets through ALE tool is now no longer available now. This is not working on S4HANA. Okay, and also batch inputs is not supported anymore. For example, for AB01 asset transactions, and this is changed in new BAPI. I mean, there's a new BAPI is given. So for especially for this functionality, so that is available now. But in the general way, AB01 this is AB01 is not working now. Okay, and the different fiscal years you can assign to different fiscal year variants for valuations, as long as beginning and beginning and end of the fiscal year need to be same. So if this rule match beginning and end fiscal year is same, then you can you can assign a different fiscal year variance to the different, I mean, for the valuation. So in case if it is not matched, then we cannot do it. Okay, this is one more limitation.
Yeah, can you give an example? What do you mean by same fiscal year?
That means
March.
See, for example, yeah,
March to April.
March to April, December to Jan to December. In case if you use, I mean, if you use Jan to December, both Jan to December and April to March, then that will not work, because the end of the fiscal year date will be different from the Jan to December. Okay, got it?
Okay.
But for the accounting principles, yeah, but for but accounting principles, we can have different fiscal year variant, right? Then what is the purpose, like, to have, like, for example, if you want to do it in US GAAP as well as like Indian legal entity, then we can have two ledgers, right?
So that is a limitation now here. The limitation is basically if you wanted to use a different fiscal year variance, that means fiscal year variance that end date and beginning date should be same. If
it is the same, then we can use the same fiscal year variant, right? Why do we create two?
That's what basically, that is a limitation. They're restricting that. That's why I'm saying it is a limitation. Limitation in S4HANA now currently it is not working. Okay. and these reversal things and for valuation of place, each ledger in NewGL and its corresponding depreciation areas in FAAA have been assigned the same fiscal year variant. That's what I'm saying. Okay, each ledger in the NewGL and its corresponding depreciation areas in FIAA have been assigned to the same fiscal year variant. That means you should not use a different fiscal year variants. That is a limitation on S4HANA. This is the current situation. I don't know in future what it will happen, but this is a limitation. And also reversal, the AB08 transaction code which we are using, the reversal, I mean in the FI, FD08 and AB08 transaction which we are using, of the document posted prior to the valuation of new posting logic. That means the new logic, new depreciation logic, whatever it is coming now, not whatever the new programs are coming now. So before that, if you have any pending things, pending entries or something posted, I mean posted prior to activation of the new posting logic are not possible. That means once you, I mean before your migration, the reversal of AB08 and AB08, AB08, there are the transactions for the reversal which we are using for documents posted prior to the activation of new posting logic are not possible. After migration, you cannot reverse it. It should be taken care in before itself. And if you wanted to do that, and you need to post it manual transfer posting. Okay, the reversal is not possible once you migrate it. Before migration only, you need to take care of that. Okay, that is one thing. The new architecture does not support and vice versa. These are all we discussed yesterday. The joint venture accounting and the solution for the business functions and lease accounting engine, real estate classic, and no request for an application linked enabling ALE transfer assets, and all these things are now is not supporting. These are the typical limitations we can see on S4HANA, the current situation. Okay. So just I captured here this information because these are all not working. I mean, which are whatever the limitations we have seen as of now. So those things I captured here. And other thing is we will see the so apps also we will see which are added, the user, and let's see the system. Now around 65 apps are added. During 1511 there are only around 15, not even 15, 13 apps are there, and during 15 16 10 there are around 37 apps are available, but now you can see around 65 apps are available. Let's see that information.
Which apps?
Fiori apps.
Fiori apps, okay.
Yeah, there are, I mean, and the Fiori also continuously evolving, right? So during the 1511, there are only around 15 apps are available, around 15 exactly, not remember, but and I have seen almost more than 35 apps on 16, no, just I think more than that. And now you can see around 65 apps we can see now. So many apps are added in, especially on 1610. No, 1610, 1709. So 1610 also there are around sort of 40, around 40 apps are available. This is a 16 system only. We will see. Let me which patches. Okay. So let me, I think it's not opening. Let me check with this person. I think some problem is here. So just a minute, let me check with this person. I think some problem is there in the Fiori Launchpad. Hello. Yeah, I think they're checking the issue. I think they will come online and they will check this. Basically, this is the problem from Fiori. So let them check it. Maybe it takes 5-10 minutes. And meanwhile, we will discuss on any of your doubts or any discussions and more information or something. What we can go ahead now. So, Preeti, any doubts you have as of now? Whatever we covered.
Yeah, I will have questions. They are, but not right now. But as I go
Okay.
through it, through the sessions slowly, and
Okay.
I'll have a lot of questions. So.
Fine. Yeah. So from yesterday's concept, basically, if you, I think you, I mean, let me ask something there so that I'll come to know whether you understand correctly or not. So, I mean, these are all the interview questions as well as for the certification things also, they will ask these kind of questions. For example, I have two accounting principles and I have two accounting principles and two ledgers and two accounting principles, and I define for two currencies for my ledger. So how many depreciation I need to create under asset accounting? Got my question? Or
No, how
I think
many
if you can
depreciation areas? No, depreciation areas. The
yes.
one which post to the GL.
Yes, the configuration point of view. So now we have two accounting principles, two currencies. For example, I have only two IFRS and local GAAP, and I have two ledgers at 0L and 2L. And if I wanted to, I have depreciation areas I wanted to map in the same way, right? So I need to attach my depreciation and my accounting principle to my ledgers, my accounting principles to my ledgers. So how can I create my depreciation areas? How can I take the decision? How can I set up the depreciation areas in my asset accounting?
Okay, see,
How many lines I need to create there?
Minimum 4 at least, because 2 for the group currencies which they won't be posting to the real time, and 2 for the ones which we need to post real time for each accounting principle. When you post, you'll get 2 documents.
So then I think your understanding it was in right way, and I think we need not to discuss much there. Just I wanted to understand from your end whether the understanding is, I mean, you understand in the right way or not. So that is a true answer basically. These questions, you kind of questions you can expect in the certification as well as when you go to the interview also.
So you're going to
because
you're going to send us the 500 questions you were saying about, right? Yeah.
I will send you at the end of the
Okay.
course, Preeti. Yeah. Once you done completed all, then you can go through all those questions, because some of relevant for controlling, some of the relevant for finance, and some of the relevant for different modules. We have not covered it all the areas. Once we covered all the areas, then I will share you all those information. Okay, but I'm asking just, I mean, what kind of questions you face during your I mean, anyways, certification or whatever. Okay, and you can see the other parts also, the migration things and the rest of the things. The depreciation point of view also, now you understood exactly what is required and what exactly is happening. Yeah, I think now we can able to log into it. Let's see that. Okay, we will see all the important I mean, apps on asset accounting now. It is working little slowly. I think this is taking a lot of time. I think there are so many apps, but these people are not done the configuration properly. Maybe we are not able to see all those things. I will show you in another system. Maybe that is corrupted. I mean, they are working on it. But tomorrow I will show you. There we can see even 1709 whatever the apps are added. But I think most of the apps are not. I mean, they have not configured in such a way. So that's the reason. Only two apps. So only two apps are showing here. So this is for Asset Master Worklist. It is showing here, and another app is for for scheduling account. I mean, these jobs. So these are only two apps showing, but there are so many apps basically. That's we will see in other systems. I will get it done by tomorrow. Okay. So, so let me check with this guy because I am not using that. Oh, let me try another system. Yeah, that's fine. So we can see here all. Anyway, we will see this tomorrow. Probably, I think even that is also not working. So I will show you all the apps available on the current system, but I think they have not enabled all. Not in. Okay. So anyway, all these functionalities are available now on whatever we can see on the menu, and most of the things are available now on the Fiori as well. Okay. But anyway, I will show you once again all each and every app, I mean, all your depreciation posting, whatever we are doing, your asset acquisition and all the things now. Also, you can access through you can have an option. I mean, each and every you have an option on Fiori as well with different apps. So anyway, I will show you once again on all these particular things. Maybe yeah, I will ask him to add all the apps here. Most of the apps are not added here. That's why we are not able to see. Otherwise, I will show you with other system. So I think there is a problem with other system also now. Okay, so
There, I
yeah,
will drop off at 10 o'clock, okay? I'm sorry, 9 o'clock my time.
okay. So fine then. What we will do to is basically these only these apps whatever added that I will show you. So rest of the things are I mean done. I think if you have any doubts or something, you can go through the videos and I mean recordings, and you let me know so that I will clarify your doubts. And second thing is we will see other. I mean we will see 10-15 minutes time on apps tomorrow, and then we will go to the other topic. Okay, so we will
There,
see the integrations. Yeah,
can you please send the previous sessions which were
sure,
missing?
sure. I think Rajendra, you are there on the line. Rajendra, I think just a minute. I will ask him. Even I have not received it. They are only sending. Even just a minute.
I
Let me.
may have sent the links which do not work.
That's what. Even I have not received the links. Also, I think they are only sending the. Let me. Rajendra, are you there? Let me call him. Rajendra, can you come on to the line? Okay, just 5 minutes. I able to hear me, Rajendra? Hello, Rajendra, are you there? Hello. Yeah, Rajendra. So I think Preeti is not able to access even these recordings. I mean recordings and the links which you have. I think you have, she's not able to access those links which you can send the recordings, right? Can you support her? And even I'm not able to access those recordings. Even the same links, even I have not received those links also. So anyway, that will you send it to me as well. But you directly send it to Preeti and Nirmala today onwards. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, sir.
In case
Can you
Preeti, you have any issues, just I mean mail Rajendra. Rajendra, you can immediately support Preeti as well as Nirmala. Yeah, either they download sometimes, and also some of the materials also available, right? So that also you give access for the both of
Yeah, sure, sir.
them.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. There's so much material I think available, and it's available inputs are there. And also these recordings also, whenever you have a problem, then immediately you can contact our support team, so that they will support you. And what is the problem, Rajendra? I think they're not able to I think download, or it will be expired kind of.
No, it does not even open. It doesn't even open. It
Ma'am,
says
you're
it's
using
not accessible.
personal laptop, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
You're using office laptop or personal laptop, ma'am?
Well, even for I cannot hear you.
No, ma'am. You are using.
Is it office laptop or personal
Oh,
laptop? Is asking.
that is my personal laptop.
Okay. It is
So
personal laptop only, Rendra.
if they can download it and send it, that would be good too.
Ma'am, can you share your screen, ma'am?
Okay.
Rajendra, I cannot share right now, but I can work with you later.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just call me after the
But
session.
try to resolve it as early as possible, right? And also show them clearly. So basically, is there any problem with any other? I mean, the things or something which they need to do for, and all those things. Just show them so that it will be clear. I mean, you can able to download it and also share the information that material also.
Yeah, yes, sir. Everything
So that
okay, sir.
okay, because so many things are there, so that it will be very useful for them. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
these both the things you can do, Randra. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So Priti, still you have a problem. Then I think in the my system it is working, but I have not received all those things. So yeah, I mean, if it is not works, then we will see. I will download it and send it to you. Send it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. Let's see tomorrow with other topic, and I mean, just 10-15 minutes we'll spend uh, on the Fiori. And Fiori, Rajendra, this Fiori, most of the apps are not added on the 1610. I think we need to check with this guy.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
We'll talk to sir.
Just, I mean, ask him to call me so that I will let him know. Because there are so many apps need to be. I mean, there are so many apps available on the 1610, but we are not able to see those apps on especially in this system. Let's configure all those things by tomorrow. Okay.
Sir.
Because anyway, I have other system, but let's do it in this system because this is. I mean, this system, Preeti and Nirmala is using, no, so that they can, it will be comfortable for them to log in
Okay, sir.
and see all those things. Okay. Fine, Rajendra. So just ask him to call me and this Fiori guy, and also support on all these aspects with for Preeti.
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Rajendra. Thanks, Preeti. So let's meet tomorrow with the. I mean, we have. I will add a few more concepts also, which are not there in the list. So we will see those aspects as well. But we will see the controlling part, and then we will see the couple of things from. I mean, other side. Then we'll go to the migration part because it is urgent for Nirmala. She wanted to attend the interviews. Let's complete the controlling part tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow it will not complete it. It will take at least 3-4 days, but let's start tomorrow the theoretical session. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Then before that, anyway, whenever we have a time, this we will go through all the Fiori apps once it is installed.
Can you send the asset accounting document?
Sure, I will send it.
Yeah, please.
And not only this, and you can also access so many other material on asset accounting and other parts as well. That links Rajendra will share with you. And I will send you this document also, whatever we are discussing on now.
Okay. Okay. Then thank you.
Yeah. Thanks both and have a nice day and let's meet tomorrow.
You too. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Thank you. Bye.